Bitcoin is getting ready for a massive move, and yesterday I spent the entire morning biting my nails in eager anticipation of the FOMC rate hike announcement. However, we can see that things have been, well, a bit anticlimactic. But right now, because we've been trading in this range for 35 days, this pattern is about to repeat, and we are about to see Bitcoin get a massive move, catching most people off guard. So today I'm going to be talking about the next major Bitcoin trade that I am looking to take. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications because we are bringing you the most timely and the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. Yes, I am still holding the juicy short position that we took from the exact top setup given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, but you can also see we have taken the long from the exact bottom from the setup that was also given in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. So what awaits Bitcoin right now? Yesterday was quite anticlimactic after the FOMC announcement. Bitcoin did get a small move to the upside, but we have not yet even reclaimed $30,000. Right now we need to be focusing on the 4-hour time frame. This green box right here is a very key support resistance flip. When we take a look at this chart right here, when I gave the setup from this level, this was a swing trading level where potentially we could be seeing a major breakout and then retest of this key support, which is a 3-year support resistance flip going all the way back to December 2020. And so we have to understand that as we come down to this area, we should be looking for a bounce. And so far, we absolutely have gotten that bounce. And shout out to everybody in the Casper Crew who took that juicy long trade, which is currently up right now in quite a bit of profits. But here's something we need to also be looking at right now. On these higher term timeframes, we have lost the bullish market structure locally. What I mean by that is this. Right here in the uptrend, during the massive pump, we put in our last higher low in the uptrend. We put in a high, and the low that we have officially made here on Monday, July 24th, is now a lower low. So we have our high, and now we have our lower low, and even if we get a big move here, we potentially could be putting in a lower high. So that is something that we need to keep in mind locally. The second thing that we need to keep in mind here is the fact that Bitcoin is printing what appears to be somewhat of a falling wedge pattern. Now, a falling wedge pattern is, objectively speaking, a bullish pattern. However, for the past 3 major ranges during this Bitcoin uptrend, we have formed a falling wedge pattern, which resulted always in a fake out to the downside and then an actual breakout to the upside. Let's take a look at the last time we saw this thing happening, right? We had right here this falling wedge pattern on the chart. What happened? We actually did end up with a fake out to the downside right here, bam, before the big move to the upside. And when we got that fake out to the downside, let us not forget that we came down right to a major zone of support, which is how in the Casper Crew, we were able to actually hop into that trade from literally the exact bottom of the move because we were watching the pattern play out. We were expecting the fake out to the downside and then the big pump to the upside. And we were also aware of this very key zone of support. Now we are having something very similar happening to us right now. And by the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give juicy trade setups in advance like these every single day, we're doing multiple live streams. You can go to JaysonCasperTrading.com. This is not a signals group, guys, but it's an educational group. Very valuable. Click the link to join the VIP Discord. And if you want to learn how to trade the way we trade, check out the 25% discount in the description and pinned comment for both of these trading courses. Also, if you want to take advantage of longing and shorting Bitcoin and altcoins with very low fees, check out MEXC. This is my go-to exchange right here. 0% limit order fees if you use my link, and 33% off market order fees. Link in the description and the pinned comment. Also this year, Casper Crew is going to be participating in World Series of Trading on ZOOMEX. Links in the pinned comment and description. If you want to join our squad, we're definitely looking to crush it this year. Last year was a lot of fun. 20% off trading fees during the competition. If you're a really bad trader, you're not going to hurt the team. But if you're one of the top 10 traders, our P&L is averaged together. And we're going to see how we place. I'm pretty sure we placed in the top 20 last year worldwide. So let's see what we can do this year. On the 4-hour time frame right now, we are seeing something that is objectively speaking quite bullish. As the price continues to make lower lows, coming down to our massively key box of support, we are seeing the 4-hour momentum waves get higher, and we are also now seeing the money flow on market Cipher B get higher. What does this mean? This means if the price gets another dip down into our green box and the 4-hour market Cipher B continues in this curvature to the upside with the momentum and the money flow, that would be giving us the bullish Sam Bankman-Fried man breast pattern. Notice something about SBF here. As the price is getting lower, the breasts are actually getting higher, the green nipples are getting higher, and the money flow is getting higher. And if you go back and back test every single time we get this pattern, as the price is hitting into key support, it leads to a massive move to the upside. The last time we saw this pattern was literally at the exact bottom of the last Bitcoin move after a fake out of a breakdown of a falling wedge. And then we ended up with this massive pump. Check it out. 4-hour market Cipher B, as the price is coming down literally to the exact key level. That's what's key. We have to have a level here, right? It's not arbitrary. Very key zone of support as price was coming to this level. What did we see on our oscillator? We were seeing the momentum waves getting higher over time, and we were seeing the money flow also get higher over time, leading to, in my opinion, a macro bottom swing long trade signal. So this is one of the bullish scenarios that I'm personally looking out for. A move back down to take that low with continued bullishness on market Cipher 4-hour time frame. This to me is one of the best long signals you could possibly even ask for. And then we could look to take this at least to $30,800, potentially even making another higher high before looking for a major pullback and letting those high time frame weekly bearish divergences play out. Now, this is just one of the many different trade scenarios that could possibly play out here. We also have to remember that we are in bearish market structure, so any big rise we get to this key zone of resistance between 30,400 and 30,800 could actually lead to another lower low being put in. One more thing we have to remember as well, this could have already been the bottom, right? So we could already have longed the bottom in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, and if that is the case, then we need to be aware of any kind of retracement. So if we make our way back down, let's say, to the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement, we could always look for a long entry after a retrace and then continue more to the upside.
But Jayson, you didn't tell me what's going to happen. You just gave me a whole bunch of different scenarios.
Relax. When it comes to trading, we cannot control what the price is going to do. But what we can control is having multiple plans for multiple scenarios to play out. What's price going to do? It depends. But what can we do for certain? We can make sure we have a plan with maximum absorbency so that we don't get liquidated. This is how we were able to have a plan and then take the long from the exact low. Have a plan and then take the short from the exact high. Have a plan and then take the long from the exact low. It's because we had multiple scenarios planned out and we knew what we wanted to see in event of anything happening. This allows you to relax and stop chasing price and stop gambling, but you can be totally open to anything happening and say, look, if we pump, I have a plan. If we dump, I have a plan. And this is how you are going to be consistent over time. All right, y'all, that is it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this falling wedge fake out pump idea. Am I off the rails, or do you have a similar view? May God bless you all in the name of Jesus the Messiah, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. Also, guys, I am drinking every single day my own coffee blend, the Jayson Casper Blockchain Sumatra Blend by Peregrine Roasters. If you're looking for an organic coffee that tastes great and gives you energy that you need to stay focused on the charts, I highly recommend you check them out. Link in the description. That being said, guys, peace!